Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot slow page loading in Notion. Let's dive into a problem that many Notion users face at some point: the frustratingly slow page loading times. Whether you're dealing with pages that drag, freeze, or just don't perform as they should, it can really slow down your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit of strategies to troubleshoot and optimize Notion, ensuring your pages open swiftly and smoothly every time you need them. To kick things off, let's start with some fundamental troubleshooting steps. Oftentimes, the root cause of slow page loading is more straightforward than you might initially think. The first thing to look at is your internet connection. Since Notion relies heavily on the cloud to function, a stable and fast connection is crucial. If you're experiencing issues with your home Wi-Fi, or if you're on a weak cellular network, that could be the culprit behind the sluggish performance. To check this, run a quick speed test or try loading another website to confirm that your connection is healthy. If you notice slowness across different sites, it's worth taking a moment to resolve your internet issues before proceeding with other steps. Once you've ensured your internet connection is stable, the next step is to refresh the Notion app itself. If you're using Notion on a desktop or in a browser, you can perform what's called a soft refresh by pressing Ctrl or Command+R. This is a simple way to give Notion a gentle nudge to reload all its data afresh, which can be all that's needed if there was a minor connectivity hiccup or if Notion got a bit stuck. If this doesn't do the trick, consider fully restarting the app. Close Notion down from your app switcher, or force quit if you're experiencing the dreaded spinning wheel of doom. Reopening the app can clear out temporary glitches or memory issues that might be slowing things down. It's akin to rebooting your computer when it starts to lag. Old processes are cleared, and everything begins anew. For those times when a basic reset isn't enough, you can opt for a deeper solution, a hard reset. On desktop, navigate to Notion's Settings menu where you'll find the option to clear the cache and restart. This process purges stored data that could be cluttering up the system. Rest assured, your workspace data remains intact. It's merely the unnecessary leftovers that are being cleaned out. If you're using Notion through a web browser, a similar method is available. Open the developer tools by pressing Command+Option+I on a Mac or Control+Shift+I on Windows. Then, right-click the refresh button and choose Empty Cache and Hard Refresh. This clears out any web browser junk, allowing Notion to load completely fresh and unburdened. Now, let's focus on optimizing your pages themselves to make them lighter and easier for Notion to handle. Begin by looking at the media you've uploaded. High-resolution images and 4K videos, while impressive, can also be quite heavy and slow to load. Compress your images before uploading them, and opt for lower-resolution videos whenever possible. You'll be amazed at how much faster pages can load when they're not bogged down by large media files, especially if your pages have several of them. Also, pay attention to how many embedded apps or complex widgets you are using. Each widget pulls in additional data and resources, sometimes from sources outside of Notion, which can create a bottleneck in performance. If your page is packed with live embeds or sophisticated widgets, consider trimming it down to just the essentials or distribute these widgets across multiple pages to ease the load. Speaking of distributing content, consider breaking up large, complex pages into smaller, more manageable subpages. If you have a massive dashboard filled with hundreds of blocks, every time you load that page, Notion is trying to display all of it at once. By dividing your content into smaller subpages, you not only boost loading speeds, but also make the workspace easier to navigate and less overwhelming. Toggles are another great feature to help declutter your pages. Use them to hide less important information or sections that users don't need to see immediately. Think of toggles as file folders. Only open them when needed, so Notion doesn't have to process everything at once. Lastly, get into the habit of archiving old content. Over time, your workspace can get cluttered with notes, tasks, and databases that are no longer in active use. Regularly decluttering by archiving or deleting unused pages or databases keeps Notion lean and responsive, much like cleaning out your computer to keep it running smoothly. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to tackling slow page loads in Notion, from basic troubleshooting to advanced optimization strategies. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to troubleshoot slow page loading in Notion quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.